Hey guys, today I have a quick tutorial on how to make this cute little treat box. There we go. I have made a treat box and I am loving it. I have made it with the supplies from Beebeecrafts. I used from the nesting hearts, I used the 2 largest hearts, and then I used the tiny hearts right here. Okay, and then I used their glitter paper. This time I used gold and red, and then yeah, everything else is from my stash. The bow was sent to me from a dear friend of mine sent this to me, and I have still a few of them that I'm kind of hoarding. And this is the last, no, I have one red one of the roses from the Dollar General that I had picked up. I had picked up 2 packages and I shared that with you guys. And this was in my stash. The little lips, the paper clip was in my stash. And these, I had gotten these off of AliExpress, and it's been some time now, but I hadn't used them on anything. And this is another heart from the Dollar General. And then these little hearts were in my stash. Guys, let us get to that tutorial so I can show you how I have made this treat box. Okay, so for the treat box, I used the Studio red pigment ink. I used some of the cardstock from Beebeecrafts. I used the gold one this time. Beautiful, I just love this. I used another just regular red cardstock from my stash. And again, I used the 2 largest hearts from the nesting dies. Of course, hearts, we're in Valentine's season, so I've used it quite a bit. Okay, so the first thing I did was I cut out my hearts, and let me pull these out for you. So I decided that this was going to be the color of the main layering piece. So I cut 2 of these out, and what I did to the back was I went ahead and inked to the back, because I cut these red ones from my card, my cardstock, and just in case I don't have it on there perfectly, it really won't show, because it's inked around the edges. So I cut 2 of those, and then in the next smaller size I cut a black heart from the I think it's 5mm foam that I got from Hobby Lobby. So this is the black one, and then I cut a red one from the red cardstock that from the Beebeecraft glitter cardstock. And then from my stash, what I also cut was a strip of paper or cardstock. I cut it 7 by 3. And I, sorry guys, I have glue everywhere. So I scored 1/2 inch on each side. And then I scored this one, I didn't write it down. So I scored on 2 inches on each side as well. So 2 inches and then 1/2 inch on each side. Okay. So first of all, let me put together my hearts that are going to be the base pieces that we will build upon. And again, I am using my art glitter glue. You guys know that I prefer the art glitter glue. Love this glue. Okay, that is my 2 hearts. Okay, and this is going to be on the outside. So the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to glue, excuse me, my allergies. Okay, I'm going to glue the red heart onto the black foam. Okay. Okay. And I purposely chose black. And I want you to know that this, the dies, they cut perfectly through the foam. I didn't have a problem whatsoever. So I am going to now glue, this is going to be the front. I am going to glue this heart, but I'm going to glue it down towards, I'm not going to center it this way. I am going to glue it down towards the center, or you know, more even to the bottom. Okay, so I have more of that gold exposed. I don't know, maybe, yeah, maybe I'll do it that way. We'll see once I put it down. All right, there we go. I went ahead and put it in the center. I don't know. That's what I decided on. Okay, so I have glued down all my main pieces right here, the front and back, like that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 7x3 that is scored at 1/2 inch on each side and 2 inches on each end, and I am going to cut these this way. Just fold it over and cut. Okay, I've cut my corners there, and I am going to glue these down. I'm going to erase this first. Fold these over. Okay, now I am going to determine, I'm going to glue it first to the front piece, I think. Nah, to the back. So this is my back piece. I am going to glue this down this way. And I'm gonna, well, I can do it this way, but I want a little more space there for treats. So I'm going to glue it at an angle. You can glue it this way if you want, but you get a little more space if you glue it this way. Again, I'm going to use my art glitter glue. And this piece right here, guys, is 110-pound cardstock, so that it's nice and sturdy. Alrighty. So here we go, guys. I hope I'm in frame. And I'm gluing it down near the bottom. Pushing it down so it'll adhere well. There we go. And you know what, guys? I glued it on the wrong side because I wanted, no, that was right. This way. Okay, so I am going to push this down a little further. Sorry guys, I have to sit, that way I'm a little closer to my project. Now I can't see the camera. Okay, so that is down. I'm going to put glue on this side. glue this. To the side of the heart. Trying to get it as even as possible. Alright, I think I've got it as even as I can. There is our little treat box, guys. There you go. A little treat box. I am going to do some decorating and meet you back here in a minute. Okay, everyone, this is how I have decided to decorate my heart, my treat box, and there we go. It is ready for, and I have nothing here. It is ready to put some treats in there. Let me see what I have here. And quite a bit will fit. And I'm probably going to send this off with some goodies in there to one of my partners. But yeah, that is how I have created my goodie box. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this, and yeah, give it a try. Thanks a lot, guys. Y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.